The blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Gratitude is a must.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melanin Samaya and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my blow drying routine or my blowout routine for my natural hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, stay tuned for the rest of the video. But if you would like to see how I accomplish this makeup look, check out my other video for my Valentine's Day makeup look. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So to start off this video, I'm starting off on an old twist out that I turned into a couple different hairstyles, and you see here that I was wearing two big puffs. And so I'm just going to take that down and shake it out so my hair can be free and I can go ahead and start to wash my hair. But this is when I realized my hair was so dirty and ew, like ew. So now I'm just fluffing out my hair so you guys can see what my hair looks like before I washed it, and then I went ahead and rinsed my hair out just so my hair is a little easier to manage and I can get any oil off my hair before I add the shampoo. And I use the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla shampoo right now, but I sometimes mix out my shampoos just to make sure that my hair is clean, because that is a sulfate free and it's also, I believe, a co-rinse conditioner. And I feel like sometimes it doesn't always get all the residue off of my hair, so sometimes I won't use that, but I used it today. And usually I just like to lather it in my hair, even though it doesn't foam up like that. But I worked it through my hair and then eventually I rinsed it out. And then this is where I start to take my deep conditioner, and I use the Tresemme conditioner. And this is really only to condition my hair because I use a lot, as you can see right here. And yeah, I need some more. Yeah, so this is a decent amount, and I like to make sure that I put this on my whole head just so as I am detangling my hair that my hair doesn't dry out in the top sections when I'm splitting my hair into manageable sections. And I do this to make sure my hair is thoroughly detangled to make it easier through the process, because I want to make sure that my hair stays detangled without me having to detangle my hair like 7 times in this process, because every time I detangle it, it gets tangled again. So usually what I'll do is I'll break it down into sections and I will braid it, and then I'll rinse and wash my hair into those braids. But for this video, I decided not to do a deep conditioning treatment, and most of the time when I do blow dry my hair, I try to do a deep conditioning treatment, but the only reason I didn't today is just because I really didn't have time, especially with my schedule. I had a lot of things going on, but I really wanted a blowout for this look, and part of that was because I also needed to trim my ends, because as you can see in my video, like, I have a couple knots at the end, and that's why I'm having difficulty separating my hair, and so I'm trying to get off the split ends of my hair later. And so you can see some of those tangles right here as I'm splitting this section as well. But mostly I just focused on detangling my hair and deep conditioning it. And I ended up sleeping on this hair, so you'll see that in a second. So I'll come back when it's time to do that. But just as a tip, you can check out any of my other videos for any deep conditioning treatments that I've done in the past. So yeah. So at this point, I've finished my hair, and you get to watch me being weird because I'm tired, and this is when I do weird things like this. And honestly, I don't know why I let this be on camera, because I'm being really weird. But it's okay, and we're not going to judge because that's really disrespectful. Okay, but the next thing you do, and I'm never going to get rid of this, I'm going to take this right here.
this plastic bag. Yes, I still use a plastic bag to deep condition, because especially when you're using them deep conditioning treatments that have egg or anything, you don't want that in a deep conditioning, a deep conditioning cap, just getting all nasty and stuff. So I like to use these grocery bags that you can reuse, and I swear it's probably good for the environment too, because you get multiple uses out of them. So yeah, and I also decided to do this quick little face mask, and I've showed this in a couple of my other YouTube videos, and you can check those out as well. Like, please help your girl out and subscribe and watch all these videos. And if you don't know how, just go and scroll to the bottom of these videos, hit the subscribe button, the little thumbs up button, that's to like this video, and go check out my other content, and make sure to comment so I can interact with you guys. And just scroll down all the way to the bottom and you get to interact with my other subscribers. So my mask is done and I look a mess, but it's time to take off this bonnet and get to deep conditioning my hair. And now I'm just taking off that deep conditioning bag and letting my hair fly free. And then I went ahead and rinsed out my hair, and now I'm just going to put it up so I can take out the different sections and start blow drying my hair. Now the key to me blow drying my hair is I use the lock method as I would with my natural hair, but I try to use a minimal amount of product just so that my hair is able to stretch easier and it doesn't take as much work to get my hair to dry with the blow dryer, and therefore I'm not using as much heat or as much tension and just on my hair trying to get it blow dried. So here I'm just taking my blow dryer, and I usually like to use it the same way I would comb out my hair by starting at the roots and then working my way up. And sometimes I'll go back and forth with the blow dryer in my hair. But to prevent so many passes on my hair and to create the steam from setting off the fire alarm, like you'll see later in this video, what I started to do is I started just blowing my hair and then letting all of my hair get dry and then detangling. And I'll explain that a little better when you can see me doing it later in the video after I set off the fire alarm. Again, yes, you heard that correctly, I said again. And the heat protecting serum I'm using is just the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Marula Oil, and it's just that heat protectant spray, and it comes in a red bottle, and that's what I like to use to protect my hair, because even when you're blow drying your hair, you really should use a heat protectant. Wait for it, boom. So this is the fanning motion, and I'm just blowing air to dry out the majority of my hair, just so it's so long so it doesn't accumulate so much steam. And then that's when I go and take the comb and try to comb through it that way. And I just continue that same process throughout my hair, but I didn't get to show all the footage that I have for the rest of this, so we're coming close to the end.
Okay, so I took my hair out really fast so I can go ahead and leave because I'm like really late. Okay guys, so we've made it to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what other content you would like to see from me. But thank you guys so much for watching. But before we head out, make sure you do those 4 important things. Make sure you like this video, hit the subscription button, the notification bar, and share this with somebody you think would enjoy this video. And yeah, so bye guys.